Welcome back, friends. Today I am going to show you how to use up your leftover taco ingredients. We are going to be making some crispy taco seasoned potatoes. These crispy taco seasoned potatoes are perfect to pile on all those leftover ingredients. Plus, these potatoes will make an easy weeknight meal. No taco shells or chips are needed with this dish. You will be coating some sliced red potatoes in taco seasoning, oil, and then baking them in the oven. When they're nice and crispy, you can top them with anything you like. This dish is going to reinvent your leftovers. And let me tell you, it's so good. And before we get cooking, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I love cooking for my family with simple ingredients, and I love sharing my recipes. So please subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified when a new recipe is uploaded. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe. You can find other recipes on cityfoodiefarm.com as well. I will also leave a link below. Okay, let's get cooking. I'll show you exactly how to make these delicious, crispy, taco seasoned potatoes. And all you need is some red potatoes. We're going to slice these potatoes into small little bits, leaving the skins on, which makes it a lot simpler. Just make sure you wash them and give them a little bit of a scrub. So grab a sheet tray and add your potatoes. You also want to cut up some garlic. We're not mincing the garlic, but we're gonna do the technique of kind of smashing it into a couple pieces, throw it on the tray. I added about 3 cloves of garlic. Roasted garlic will give it such a great flavor. And then drizzle on your favorite oil. I'm using olive oil because I was out of sunflower oil. And then sprinkle on half of the seasoning pack, the taco seasoning pack. And that's it. You can add a little bit extra if you'd like, but mix it up. Make sure each potato is coated with that delicious seasoning. And I thought about adding some salt. I know that the seasoning pack has sodium in it, so it's up to you if you want to add a little bit of salt onto your potatoes. But you'll want to cook these until they're nice and crispy. So if that entails increasing the heat a little bit, go ahead and do that. But that's it. These potatoes are so flavorful, and they are going to reinvent your leftover taco ingredients. So go ahead and add some of those potatoes to a plate and start adding on some of your leftover ingredients. I have some taco meat to add, and then some refried beans. If you need a recipe for refried beans, I have a video that I can link here. And then we'll be adding some cheese. Oh, lettuce first. We'll be adding some lettuce, and then some cheese, and some crema or sour cream, some salsa, And of course, we got to add some spice, so we'll be adding some jalapeno slices. This is looking so delicious, and I have to tell you, it was really good. So if you've made tacos and you just have way too many leftovers and you just can't bear to eat another taco, make this meal. And the toppings are endless. You could add some of that jalapeno, cheddar cheese, whatever you have, whatever leftovers you want to use up. Leftovers can be tricky sometimes. Sometimes you need to kind of turn it into something different. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you can make it for your family. And you can check out cityfoodiefarm.com for more information. I did upload a blog post as well, so there's more recipes on there. So please come back to my channel. I've got lots of recipes to share with you. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Thank you.